Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I just say hi.
Hi to YouTube family out there. Welcome to KK's channel. We're taking a leisurely drive in the 7 a.m. here in Jamaica along the road, which is a constant flow of traffic. So I hope you sit back and enjoy this video. Talk to you soon.
Wow. I don't know what that was, but okay.
That was a full intro.
So, Evan is on his way to work.
Yes, my God.
And I am on my way to St. Thomas. I have, my mother works at the library, if you didn't know. And they're having some library week thing, and then today they're having who bring the most person to the library. I will do their makeup kind of sort of thing. I think that is it. So I'm going up for that. So maybe if I have a time I can vlog that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna take the bus. I'm gonna St. Thomas. I haven't done that in a while because everyone's going to work, and then I might stay back for a while too because I did pack my bag to stay, but I don't know if I want to stay it. So yeah, we're doing that. So this morning I did a light little makeup. I just put concealer underneath my eye, and most of my makeup is powder because you can see my skin through. Alright? So that's what I did today. But it is raining, and if you live in Jamaica and you know about rain and traffic, it's not the best. It's not the best, especially in Kingston. Not the best because the traffic did already set away, and it's like when it starts rain, everybody get mad. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys, or else I don't know how else to explain to you guys, but it's like everybody get mad, like legit.
The neighborhood is smoky, I'll stay safe in this place. Drizzy about to drop, the game is in disarray. I tell you, hear me out, we both know end of the day. Your niggas is pressing play, your nanny is pressing play. Your wife,
I'm leaving my chain.
had it go and hit reset. Now
I'm leaving my chain.
I'm on top of 3 sets of 3 years.
I
can't fly if I can sit on the wing of that shit. Try to pay it less mind. They've been keeping tabs on me like I'm paying next time. I think I sense a little fear.
Get yourself a chopstick.
My lips are chappy. Remember me buy me chapstick?
Yeah, last it
$100 chapstick, me never reach me yard too, bro.
yeah, last it same day.
Me don't know how. We chapstick to you.
Hi. Mommy's workplace. I've been here for a while though. It's so hot. My face melt off and everything.
We're here, and now we're having karaoke session, and we're having so much fun. So I guess I didn't want to share with you.
Yeah, I already did a person's makeup. That's her. Yeah, I did her makeup today. Just finished being tried. Should I record before me tie it down? It's a lace wig. Why are you not auto focusing? It's a lace wig. You look brown up because your hair blonde. Bad man. Bad man. Hi Betty. Tomorrow you say you go out of Betty, I practice dance with Juna them. Shy hair look nice. And our baby ear, guys, I didn't want to see how the ear did stay before. A miracle work, you know? Miracles, don't Betty?
Yeah.
Oh, and it is a synthetic wig as well. Hot water at the end of the ear. You have the pack with the ear coming up? Some could have showed them. So if they want it to buy, I don't know, but it's you can probably get it at any a beauty supply here store. Snap out, Elena. What's Tevin? Tevin, well relaxed though.
No, I don't see it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
What Tevin I do? Tevin! Unruly for life. Shine still a snap.
Drop. 1, 2, roll. Second part of it, come across this, you come on with it. On this part first. I'm just switch it out and lift it out. So you're going to
He's switching with Bethany in the middle. Anywhere the audience is where you will be behind them. Simple. Good work, Sean.
Last time we did action is for just there some here.
Good. Bethany, I wasn't here last night, so I can't say good work, but keep up the work. You're doing well. Hello, focus.
Break out.
Just
Oh, no.
You gotta see a girl phone, a girl thing.
6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, stop. Chance can not finish your moves.
Yeah. So even your stick.
Unless you can stick, unless you can do the
What's
Yeah. I mean, you can't just be there, so.
it's a miracle.
But the shark boy, yo, what you wanna do? Stop playing that? Yo, what was that? Yo, what the rest of them gone?
Yo,
Yeah, 10,000 come. For right now, I still get it on the bubble. Oh,
yeah. Everybody on move, say that, that's
I
it.
keep them. So at that point, you are going to make
Maybe
Yeah, man, figure that much.
game.
total this person probably have to come on the phone.
Alright, see that Gemini missing.
Gemini there, so.
You are about to be the she where me and Betty's transgender. The armies.
Yeah, so me there, so say I have to come through.
So start with a big one?
Let's be 5, 6, 7. What I need to make it. Yeah, man. Zin. Face in now. Drop.
No, yeah, so Gemini anyway, yes, you run as a Gemini down.
So you have to
What Gemini would have.
So is she going to bend down while switching? Okay, make that clear for her. But I think you're going to be bending down.
Watch out, come back, Gabriel. Stay left. Spin from your left to the back. 5, 6, 7, spin from your right. 5, 6, 7.
Just go around this one.
Exactly, yeah, that's enough.
She's a woman, she has butt.
And like that's enough.
But I'm not, she stays so. She has to That's right.
Your bottom is flat?
No,
You're not aware of this experience?
I love this video. So.
Ready.
Yeah, I'm good. Girl. 5, 6, 7, go.
They say her butt is in the way.
No, I should go so far.
Oh, I don't know what show already.
Yo, watch out if you have come fix the problem what just happened a while ago. No rush.
Exactly, take your
5,
time.
6, 7, and see there?
Just use her
5,
hand.
6, 7. So you see when you do that now, just really ease up into it. No. 5, 6, 7.
No, watch too much Naruto.
5, 6, 7. Drop.
Ayo,
You know, say me not actually did it.
Who can drop you?
Hey.
You never say we are fucking
yeah,
job.
face again. No, the second one was so small. Okay, now so small.
You can't, no?
You need some cloth?
Remember, say,
Tucky in the belly.
Junior,
Tucky in the belly.
me I got things.
Your Bible is small and you don't sure. Nah, see.
Junior?
You know, remember, say me not tell it.
Remember, say, oh.
Just remember what I said. You have to take
Well,
that.
I
I like how we cluster though. Because she was
This
stage.
line.
This that was cluster because she was like.
But you and I put it now to do that. And I want
Me and your job that. Me tell her that.
if when I'm going to tell you,
Say yo, me and you.
yeah,
Lock it up.
and when I'm cooking time, we just back outside. I'm gonna go.
Yo,
Can you do that in the time?
We can go. No.
It's too dramatic, Sean.
So we turn out.
Everything you want, anyway.
Yo, tell me and you say you're wrong.
You're a dumb person.
And it's a model.
No, splash.
Yo, shut up and fight. That's the one for one. It's a staple in Jamaican dance.
Make it a splash.
Gunshot.
Oh, douche.
Yes.
Big boss gunshot.
And I,
Where are you doing there? Where chance that you have done?
Which one? The one when it goes on?
It's been so
Man, you know what? Something them I use, something will be damaged.
No, lad. Yeah, but I do that now.
Seriously.
Look at it.
She can
We can do it.
Yo, and something my money over there.
Yeah, we know
How
what
much
we're
listening?
Yeah, we can do it. No, that don't go.
But I can do lots of things now.
What?
No,
No, we can't do that. We can't do that. Watch out when you come over here and come.
Man, you break your back.
I'm surprised.
I'm
Put over your foot more.
I'm gonna fuck you.
I mean, you sure said that now.
Right,
Okay, Sean, your side, Sean.
You can book around whenever you fuck. Out of goodness.
Alright.
Alright, the Olympic shot.
They can flick that. You're not surprised.
Bad man,
We don't, and
the place is cold.
we think Bala can do it. Because you used to do that something, yeah?
Alright, so watch out now. Watch out now. Cheese, Sam.
I gonna see.
The aim is to get you on shower to the next song.
The aim is to get someone to agree to that. Okay. Hi guys. So Kadim is going to do my makeup. Junior in the back there. So yeah, okay. I don't beat him up.
And it's raining. Hopefully we're not gonna cold. It's the kind of downtown. You can enter downtown? I won't start Can you imagine this? What, the man abused the woman and when he stay up on the floor, he want the car down more. It's a trigger him more for the car.
When she just did a week or
They're up on the ground a ball. Yeah, don't think so. And she not looking? I think they're the one leaving.
the money is a potato. Yeah, someone is sitting at one and they fight back in it. When they fight, but they make side.
Because it's getting just like some man woman, so when they tell them they want something, they like it. Because it makes them feel better. My deep rooted is you wake up angry.
Then how is she not a victim? Because it's a routine. It's a routine, so. She'll leave you. Well, she'll be smart enough to leave you. I don't like these things. Why is this?
So I just finished her eyebrow. That was me. So you don't want that.
Wow, just like
Yeah.
you. I'm not too fussy answer.
Wow, really? When?
Promise is true.
When?
Just sometimes.
I probably because you go dance and you probably sweating on a bling bling playing your hair. That's the only reason.
It's the Psychoneuroplasticity Center in Dallas, Texas.
About enough fussy.
And this is
Wednesday.
Dr. Frank Lawless and Dr. Barbara Peavy have what I believe to be the foremost diagnostic
She's
center
soon
in the
done.
country that
I put the car around more before so we can put something on the thumb drive.
So you go just
offer to send you
go and just meet your beer.
Yeah.
wide leader.
So you you're gonna attack yourself too.
Just shave come on, we here tomorrow. Tell me what I see. But the time I wind down for it.
Yeah, she's no, she done. I start close up done.
Apparently she's got problems. A lot of them.
When you were kidding.
Head a lot clear. We even named the whole way here at Wendy Head a lot clear way. Right, Suzanne? Upstairs. Yeah. I want to keep her there. I know. She's got her own hallway. Apparently she's
Oh, give you stupid.
more drunk.
You see how low that shot Stacy?
You see? I was there too long, sir.
Mmm.
Too much, and I wish I come carry it out here, so.
But I think Anisana did. Anisana, just share them out now. Please.
And I do share little, you know. Enough pie bread.
Allegedly, she punched a cop. And she was EMT. Well, the EMT is a woman EMT, and now the police are claiming that she suffered from head injuries and neck injuries. And it was so bad that she's now
What happened?
confined to only working the desk.
We say I want crop top.
Wait. Left captain?
Black crop top.
So we're not need the shirt where you wear some wear? Black captain? Where them?
You have one? That's what I say. You have a black capture?
No.
Pick it. Betty. Betty. You have crop top. You have one black crop top, isn't it?
It have markings on it.
Yeah, what kind of right? Why?
Yeah. In case when I get to do the shirt. No, sir. I'm not going to do that something there if I'm not in a shirt on you.
If you don't get a shirt, you're going to dance?
No.
Look at.
He's just saying put it as a backup.
This way I say no, a 4 after
Yes,
3.
I cut up on it, you know.
This way I say to you,
It don't matter, but you have a white rice in it
and
look
the
like that in
lounge,
the
the lounge has started 5 o'clock as the performer we should do
Come,
the day
so,
before
alright.
5
So
o'clock.
don't have it in my mind for this shirt when I come and be.
Right now that's the last option.
Come, we finish.
What,
That's
not
all
do
right.
You must say in case it not happen.
And we're supposed to do it before 5 o'clock. Think about me as a kid.
That's her face when I put on the shine on
You
yet.
think he's sexy, you see?
If
Actually, I couldn't know still.
You want to got a fat belly.
I'm not fat.
I'm gonna say I bet shy. Shika.
Hello.
You know the story for telling today?
I do art before school done.
You get the picture?
Yeah, I that picture.
So when I hear something picture that answer my girl?
Yeah, one of my BS school graduation picture.
So which part is it?
No school.
Induction test December 10 to 13, 2018. Christmas program December the 14th.
So you can go to your mouth. What kind of trouble you get at school today?
No, there's no trouble. I watch cartoons.
So you're so dirty.
Yeah.
And the 16th, they tell what's your name that this on Sunday?
Oh, Roshana?
Yeah.
Me not tell her that.
So you know say Rishana share.
Me say 17 and she say fair one at the 18.
Okay, well, you know one day December the 17th, term in December the 18th. Christmas holidays December the 19th to January the 4th. School resumes January the 7th at 8:15.
Yes, the school has something there?
School resume January the 7th,
8:15.
2019 at 8:15 a.m.
Yes, you must reach at school 8:15. You right here? But they're supposed to reach.
Reach at school. And then do extra lesson.
No, we not do no extra lesson. We not do none.
We not do none or you not do none.
Me not do none.
Because you don't want to do none.
We not
You
do
big.
none. No, we teach.
Your teacher don't do it out. They say the grade 4 teacher will do it or grade 5 teacher.
You must go into the class.
Go to the class.
So you need to reach at school?
8:50.
7:30.
And she don't, from the other day, she don't reach at school 7:50.
Because she don't want to go. Hi guys, so I know I didn't come back to you all day before yesterday because it started raining, and then I was trying to leave St. Thomas to come to Kingston. So I'm in Kingston now. I'm not sure if I'm going to show the rest of better makeup either. Right now I'm looking crusty. I'm making a wig. Well, I'm recreating a wig. If you guys know, I had this wig, this purple hair wig, but the front part of it, something happened to it, so I had to reconstruct it. That's why I'm reconstructing the wig at the moment. I'm waiting on everyone to go. You see this pimple? Look at it. Whoever loved me, I don't love you. Okay? Because I love a big. Anyways, yeah, I was thinking I want to count some hair thread because I ran out. So that's what I'm doing right now. I wanna try catch lizard. Last night I think catch one, now tonight you want lizard catcher. Professional lizard catcher, but you don't want to kill a lizard. See the right from the side, see the right there so. On the edge right over there so. The edge no, over the next side. See going around this now. You catch him? Eh?
I don't know.
And in our room. And from the see the right there so.
Me grab him when keep on.
See there so.
On the edge right there, so. Towards the edge.
See the right there so on the board. Don't turn him so. You're salty. Me rock. Why you not spray him and kill him? Why you want to catch a lizard? See him run down there so. Everyone kill a lizard. You catch him?
No.
Kill the lizard.
I catch him.
Everyone doesn't want to kill the lizard.
Break it out.
Kill him. Everyone's serious. I like a lizard. I'd rather catch a lizard. You catch him? I'm putting a scandal bag. Like that now gonna make a difference. I kill him same way when you put him in a scandal bag. When you put him, you carry him out there and let him go?
No.
Exactly. See, you kill him same way. You just like to hunt.